Bururi wa Kenya ni urerahira gukorwo ari wa mbere thiini wa gitaro kia Afrika gatagataini ka mabũrũri 46 gukorwo na ceceni ya kiriu ya uthondeki wa meri iria ithukite mwena wa Mtongwe county-ini ya Mombasa. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria ceceni ino muthi, President Uhuru Kenyatta ni ugite Kenya ni tacukitie makinya mega kuona ceceni ino ina uhoti wa guthondeka meri cia uritu wa tani 4,000 na cia uraihu wa mita 150, undu uria ukugacirithia utonga wa mai-ini wa bururi, undu umwe na guthondeka mieke 10,000 ya mawira o mwaka.
This completion heralds a new chapter in shipbuilding and repair in Kenya. And I do believe this will also form the bedrock for our sustainable transformation of our ocean and blue economy. It will be possible to unlock the enormous business potential that abounds within Kenya's territorial waters and our coastal strip.
Kuma riria bururi wa Kenya wegwateire wiyathi, uturite uthondekeire meri ciacio 17 cia mbiraru mabũrũri-inĩ ma Spain na Netherlands, kuria Kenya riu kuhitukira tafarira ya ceceni ino itanyite kuhonokia ciringi bilioni 3.8 o mwaka iria cirahuthikaga hari uthondeki wa meri iria ithukite.
We have been told will also serve public and private commercial shipping interests, not just here in Kenya, but in the East Indian Ocean rim and well beyond. As we again have heard, has the capacity to design and build new ships, refit, retrofit, convert, repair, maintain, as well as undertake other civil and modular maritime services for vessels.
Hindi ya uruguri uyu mutongoria wa bururi ekumagaritio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga, Minister wa uragiri wa bururi Eugene Wamalwa, Governor wa county ya Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho, gatagataini ka atongoria angi aria megwikinyitie mwena uyu.
With the support of your government, the Kenya Shipyards Limited, which is domiciled in the Ministry of Defence, will continue undertaking shipbuilding activities that support the Big Four agenda by contributing directly to the manufacturing sector.
Haduini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Gathoni, Wanganga.